Leading labs as a GA or TA can provide a unique opportunity to develop instructor skills. However, with this opportunity comes unique challenges, such as maintaining the safety of your students while ensuring an authentic and professional learning environment. The purpose of labs are to create the circumstances whereby students can ask questions, apply principles that they've learned in class, and at times discover through exploration and experimentation. Leading an effective lab begins by providing lab manuals and other resources such as videos and practice problems in advance so that students can understand the content to be covered. You should set the expectation that students will come prepared. In order to keep your students engaged, be mindful of how you structure pre-lab time. To create a warm environment, introduce yourself and present a welcoming tone and posture. Provide sufficient background information for students to safely execute the lab while drawing connections to concepts covered during lecture. It may be helpful to determine the average baseline knowledge of the class so that you can explain necessary concepts and determine methods to challenge student learning. Be sure to highlight lab objectives, safety parameters and ethical issues, and especially whether you expect students to work independently or in groups. When the lab calls for demonstrations, ensure students are seated in a location where they have a clear line of sight. Demonstrations can be broken down into steps, highlighting particularly important or dangerous techniques. It is also helpful to provide a list of frequently asked questions, as well as common problems and suggested solutions to these. Throughout the lab time, make yourself available to attend to concerns, challenge students with thought-provoking questions, provide encouraging feedback, and monitor safety hazards. If you need more support and advice on leading effective labs, be sure to check out the Center for Teaching and Learning or contact the GATA Network.